breaking news coming in. Uttarakhand has now officially implemented the UCC, or the Uniform Civil Code, with the Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami now unveiling the framework for its execution. The move standardizes personal laws across the state, aiming for uniformity in marriage, property and other civil matters. In fact, the UCC portal has now gone live in Uttarakhand, and we are showing you that UCC portal as well. Remember, Uttarakhand has become the first state in India to adopt this particular code, signaling a significant shift in personal law regulation, which has also led to a massive debate. But first of all, listen into what the Chief Minister had to say.
पूरे भारतवर्ष के लिए आज ये बहुत ऐतिहासिक दिन है, क्योंकि आज हम समाज में समानता स्थापित करने से उद्देश्य से बनाई गई समान नागरिक संहिता को देवभूमि उत्तराखंड में लागू करने जा रहे हैं। आज उत्तराखंड में यूसीसी लागू करके हम संविधान निर्माता बाबा साहब भीमराव अंबेडकर जी सहित संविधान सभा के सभी सम्मानित सदस्यों को अपनी सच्ची भावांजलि अर्पित कर रहे हैं। इसी क्षण से उत्तराखंड राज्य के समस्त नागरिकों के संवैधानिक और नागरिक अधिकार एक समान हो गए हैं, और इसी क्षण से सभी धर्म की महिलाओं को समान अधिकार प्राप्त हुए हैं।
All right, my colleague Mohit is also joining us live on the broadcast. Mohit, so the UCC portal is now live, launched in multiple languages. Uttarakhand has become the first state to implement the UCC. What does it entail? What changes in Uttarakhand? Help us understand.
Well, yes, in fact, Uttarakhand has become the first state post-independent India to implement UCC fully, and now we see that how Pushkar Singh Dhami, the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, has made this announcement. Now, he also stated that from now, women of all religions across Uttarakhand will have equal rights. So clearly, we have seen that how there has been an opposition from a certain section, from a certain lobby, saying that UCC will take away the personal right of certain religions, of the minorities. But then the Uttarakhand government was firm on their stand that Uniform Civil Code is the need of the time, and today it has been implemented. Now, for all the people across religious lines, across every single caste, creed or religion, that the laws will be the same in Uttarakhand. But this particular UCC, what we are being told as of now, will not implement to the tribal community of Uttarakhand. That the clarity needs to come in. But yes, as of now, what we know is that UCC has been implemented. Now, several BJP ruled states like Assam, like the other states, they have been saying this, that the UCC is need of the time. And we know for a fact that how the government at the center is also pushing for the UCC. So the government has been saying this, that everybody in the country should have equal rights when it comes to the civil rights or the legal rights. Everybody should be the same. Every woman should get what the woman from the other religion is getting, because given the fact that how there are certain personal laws that are in place, but UCC has come to force in Uttarakhand.
So UCC has come to force in Uttarakhand. That portal is live as well. Mohit, thank you for bringing us all these updates. We slip into a short commercial break. News and updates on the other side. Please don't go anywhere.